Welcome to 681 Albermarle here in Pittsboro. It's a beautiful, crisp day. We're on a cul-de-sac. This is Jefferson Park, and I am a big fan of this neighborhood. I've sold a number of homes in here. This builder has been great to work with. I think you get a really good value for your money here. As you can see, we've got the 3-car garage. We've got 4 bedrooms, a main level office, and an upstairs loft. So a fantastic floor plan. I'm eager to show it to you. As we come inside, you see this wonderful 2-story entry with some interesting architecture, plant ledges, a lot of nice daylight coming in. We've got 9-foot ceilings, fresh paint throughout this entire main level and most of the upstairs, just gorgeous colors. There's this office, or they're using it as a music room, lots of flexibility with this room here, and then this wonderfully open main level here, great for entertaining. Into the kitchen, tons of recessed lights. I love these brown maple cabinets with the staggered heights and the crown molding. All your appliances stay here, as well as in the laundry room, you've got all of your appliances as well. So upstairs, we've got 4 really good sized bedrooms with lit fans. 3 of the 4 have walk-in closets. All told, the home has 2.5 baths. And again, that nice flexible loft up here. Then the owner's suite has the dual sinks, the nice walk-in shower, all of this in great move-in condition, ready for you. All right, so in closing, I want to bring you out here on this wonderful walking trail that's right behind the home. You can see the lovely pond that you walk past. Yes, we've got this railroad track here. If you haven't lived on a railroad track, you will be interested to find that after about 4 weeks of living here, you literally will not know it's there anymore. I live fairly close to one. I hear it, and it's kind of soulful. I actually kind of enjoy it, believe it or not. So I lived in Pittsboro very near this house for 12 years, and I can tell you from an access standpoint, the way the roads run, you can get places east of Brownsburg faster than some people that live in the heart of Brownsburg. So the location out here is wonderful, the lifestyle is wonderful, really solid house for you. So if you're interested, give me a ring.